Hello everyone, this is Faceunknown. Today about gold. Everyone has wondered why gold is so high price. This is so high price, so we can self-manufacture it, right? Before discussing this, I will tell a fact. Gold is not in earth. Yes, many names on seeing it in world. We are using gold for having where it have been come from is supernova. Supernova is a star that bursts in a universal sky. It fall in earth. First, in star, how gold can be there? You can ask me. Okay, I will tell. Star is made up of hydrogen, gravity element, hydrogen atomic, gravity element. It is unsolved with helium. It could change at gold forms. Gold spread universal. 4 million ago, gold has come in earth. Just think, there could be nothing. Just sand, mountain. It could be. It is just move walls. Unsuitable. A gold goes hit side gold crust under. Then you could know it. Gold goes deeper. We could not export and take it. But how now gold is there? It has happened more years ago. One to one blast will happen. Rock will fall on earth. Gold showering will be happen. Change in earth. Gold question limited. I want more gold. Need super textile. It will be more costly for making a gold. It will be more costly. In earth, gold is less. Human population is more. Gold or human expecting. In earth, it is limited. Then supply less, demand more. This is the pity concept. By hearing this, you could have been stranger in the. It is a rest. Yes, it is a rest. Just a rest. It is 100% rest. Let you know, stardust and other one small fact. And another small fact I will tell. There is your gold. In that mixed up 2% copper in our gold. Any another topic I want to talk, just ask in comment section. Signing off you until Faceunknown. Cheers.